It's a 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. Style, space, and amenities. This is everything but compromise. It comes with great features you love. Automatic transmission, front heated bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, rear parking sensors, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, auxiliary audio input, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com reports if you're looking for a solid performing people mover that seats up to 8 and doesn't exclude adults from the third row, hauls a lot of cargo and doesn't cramp your ego, the Traverse deserves your serious attention. Chevy, 100 years of icons. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.